Are you trying to figure out which email marketing tool is more cost-effective, Moosend or MailerLite? Both are popular platforms, but there's a lot to unpack when it comes to pricing, features, and overall value. Stick around, and I'll break it all down, comparing Moosend and MailerLite to see which one will give you more bang for your buck, because, in the end, it's not just about what you pay, it's about what you get for your money. And by the end, I'll also share a better alternative that might just beat both of them. Let's dive into the first thing you'll need to consider: pricing. Both Moosend and MailerLite offer free plans, but there's a catch. Moosend's free plan is only for users with fewer than 1,000 subscribers, and even then, you're limited to 3,000 emails per month. On the other hand, MailerLite's free plan gives you up to 12,000 emails per month for 1,000 subscribers. So if you're looking for a free option, MailerLite might seem like the better choice here. Next thing you need to know is about their paid plans. Moosend starts at $9 per month for up to 2,000 subscribers, while MailerLite starts at $10 per month for the same number of subscribers. While Moosend is just $1 cheaper, it's important to look at the features you get with each. Moosend's paid plans come with access to automation workflows, reporting, and landing pages, while MailerLite includes similar features, but also offers a built-in website builder, which could be useful for those looking to create a simple website. Now, let's talk about automation. If you're looking for advanced automation, Moosend has a slight edge. It offers more flexibility with its workflows, including triggers based on time, actions, and other criteria. MailerLite's automation is still solid, but it doesn't give you the same level of customization as Moosend, especially for those who want to set up detailed, automated customer journeys. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. MailerLite takes the lead here. It has a simple, user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to get started. Moosend's interface isn't difficult to use, but it's not as polished, and its additional features can make things feel a bit more complex, especially for those new to email marketing. Another important point to mention is deliverability. When it comes to getting your emails into inboxes and avoiding the dreaded spam folder, Moosend generally has better
Deliverability rates, according to some user reviews. MailerLite's deliverability is decent, but it's not as consistent, especially for users with larger email lists or more complex campaigns. Finally, the support options. Both platforms offer customer support, but Moosend has a slight advantage here with 24/7 support through live chat and email. MailerLite's support is good, but doesn't have 24/7
availability. You may have to wait longer for help, which could be frustrating if you run into an issue during an important campaign. So, in conclusion, Moosend and MailerLite are both great options for email marketing, but they have their differences. Moosend is a bit more affordable in the long run, especially if you need advanced automation. MailerLite, however, offers more value up front with a more user-friendly interface, built-in website builder, and better free plan. That being said, both have their drawbacks. After trying all of them myself, I can say that while these two tools are solid, there's a better alternative out there that's not only more cost-effective, but offers more advanced features, better deliverability, and top-notch customer support. If you want to take advantage of this better option, check out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't regret it.